Hello and welcome to Zorf Talks. We've made it 6 episodes of the photography live show. So congratulations to everybody that stuck with me. So thank you for joining me again. Again, we have a jam-packed session. So we're going to be enjoying a mixture of segments. I've got some fresh photo news for you. We're going to be speaking to, my name is Violet. Violet, talk to me about your Tamron lens and give me some benefits.
The 24 to 70mm Tamron f2.8 is a generation 2 lens. Yes, most of the action shots that I take, all of the high-speed photography shoots that I do is with the 24 to 70. Because of the f2.8, it's much faster than the long lens with the f6.3 stock.
I think it's time. What do you think? That we looked at that landscape photo I gave you. You actually did a lot of justice to it, but we'll come on to that later on. Before we continue, here's a quick message. This show has been made possible by Kam Cakes photo accessories. There's a great link in the description to be able to pick up this cleaning kit for your camera. Make sure to check that out, and also their additional Mystic Erratic. He gives us that little bit of hope, doesn't he, for the future? Let's see what he's got.
Yes, a touch of destiny. It is sane. Treat every day with your photographs as if tomorrow you'll be struck blind.
Photos. Treat every day like it's your last. So that goes for everything, photos and life. So make sure you're making the best of that. And if you're not familiar with our Zulf Talks photography podcast, make sure to check that out. We actually speak regularly about photography topics that you might find interesting. Anyway, I think it's time for the news. Nokia 9. Remember Nokia, the old phones? They used to have massive bricks. They've come a long way, and everybody had a Nokia, but now they've kind of not as... Anyway, that's another topic. So important news. So this old photography scam is making the rounds yet again. So if you're currently in the lockdown situation and you're at home, there's some scam emails going out to photographers basically saying you're overdue some payments and you can claim them back. So be very careful at the moment. These times are challenging, so we don't want you getting caught out on this. I tweeted out this photo and I thought it was quite a good comparison, especially because we do edit my raw photos. The best landscape photo in the world. So Sony does this contest every year, Sony World Photography Award 2020. That's your image there, and it was in Japan. Interesting, but there was a lot of great runners-ups. So if I show you some of the running-up photos, I was actually surprised with the quality of photos that people submitted. So here is the cheerleaders that I gave you. These are unedited images. And then that was a footballer, and that was a landscape. I was very impressed what you did with the landscape, so well done everybody, and thank you. It's always great to see your edits. That's what I supplied. It's a bit of a wonky shot. I like how he's fixed my composure. He's made it square. He's made the natural colours come out. That's the unedited, and this is Leb's edited. He's given it a whole new feeling, hasn't he? He's given out all the dark colours. He's brought the additional detail out in the water. This photo was taken at a time when it was pre-raining but pre-sunset, so golden hour. It's basically around golden.